If you need to do little girl scrapbook pages, this kit from Echo Park is absolutely adorable. Look at those beautiful colors. Unicorn, little girls, rainbows, stars, princess, all the things that little girls love. Here is the sticker sheet, and I will show you the papers real quick. Look at this, little tiny butterflies. Look at this one. There's a cutout sheet, has lots of great sayings on it. Beautiful borders. Look at the flowers, really pretty. There are little hearts. Let's see. We have, oh my gosh, all the icons on the back. Mushrooms and fairies and all the fun things. Here's a really pretty purple floral, alphabet letters, more hearts, a plaid, crowns. Oh my goodness, there's some purple polka dots. Here's some really cute sayings. Nay means I love you, and unicorn, oh darling, don't ever grow up, just stay this little. That would be really cool for a little girl's birthday. You can make cards with these, junk journals, all kinds of great paper crafting products. Look at this. Boho, rainbows, more flowers. There are butterflies. Oh my gosh, this is a great paper kit. And I have a 7-year-old granddaughter, so I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this.